Skylark Outdoors here, and welcome aboard. We're going to give you a review of the Invincible 40 and take you on a tour of the Invincible 40. So it's beautiful in Carolina blue here, and we're at the Palm Beach International Boat Show in 2024. And catamarans are my favorite style of boat because you get that smooth ride as well as fuel economy. They've got it outfitted with quad outboards here, and it can have a max of 1,800 horsepower. You can see how they've got this laid out for the captain's seat and station. You've got 6 seats behind the helm there. Does not have any electronics on there because you can customize it yourself with whatever nav system you want. And as we walk up this side of the boat, you can see there's a little hole here, and that is actually for the head. And then you go up in the front and you've got 2 day beds or twin day beds, and then you've got the seating up in front. This boat feels massive when you're in it. There is a ton of seating for what is essentially a sport fisher, and you've got tons of rod holders everywhere. So this is a serious fishing boat, serious offshore boat, and it's incredible the features that it has built in, as well as you're going to have a very smooth ride, a fuel efficient ride, and get where you need to go. You've got the windlass in there underneath that anchor hatch. You've got some storage on either side, and that is what I also like about cats is you typically have a lot of storage because you've got those deep hulls on each side. You've got the nice seats up here that you can, I believe, remove these backrests on either side or accommodate that how you want. And look how many rod holders as well as cup holders we've got on the sides of the boat right here. So this thing is ready to go for fishing. Right when you get it, you've got the rod holders on the sides of the boat as well as at that helm station there. What I do like is that they also have a nice top on the helm station, so you're going to get shade all the way along. They've got the recessible cleats right there, so you have a nice smooth cleat when you're not using it, nothing to catch on. And then here's another look at the helm. These seats, those are going to fold up so you can stand on those or lean back on them, or you can sit, and it is a full back seat. A lot of times when you see a boat, you're only getting like a half back seat. This one does have the joystick control as in addition to the typical throttles, so you can use the throttles or you could use the joystick controls, which is going to give you easier control for more precise docking if you want it. Really nice system there. They've got this one outfitted with Mercruiser, so that's going to be all Mercruiser controls. You've got the nice Invincible mat underneath there. And when you're on this boat, I'm telling you, it does feel invincible. It is a big boat with a lot of length and a lot of beam. And then because you've got that catamaran effect, you're going to have a smooth ride. That hull is going to kind of cushion the impact as well as air gets compressed underneath there. So you've got the Invincible back here. These are the live wells. You've got 2 big live wells. They've got the nice plexi covers on top so you can see how your bait is doing in there in the live wells. Just a little latch there. You can see the aft of the boat here, the stern of the boat as well. And what I do like is that this live well is big enough that you can get your hands down there and wash it out if you need to a little bit easier. You know, that can just happen when you're out fishing. Those can get a little gunky, and some have smaller tops to them, and that usually is an issue for getting in there, but not here. You've got a cooler under the seat, and then right here, I believe this is like a little storage slash cutting board. I can't get it out with just one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other. You've got some storage back here as well. You can see all the rails are padded, so this thing's set up for fishing. You've got the cooler again, and then look at all these rod holders, as well as you've got riggers already on this ready to go, so you can fish right when you've got this thing. I don't know how many rod holders are on this overall, but it's a lot. Then you've got the step through on the side, which is also really nice for docking. Let's take a look at the head inside here. So it's functional. It's not going to win any awards for the amount of space, but it is there for when nature calls out on the high seas. So thanks for watching this tour of the Invincible 40. Beautiful boat. Love the color, as well as love the things that they've added on this boat and that are well thought out. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.